Yeah, this is good.
Yeah, let's do this one. Oh, here, it's like you hear the storm. That's what happens at Publix when you're in the vegetable section. You hear the thunder, and then all of a sudden, the rain comes. And the wind, you hear the wind? The speaker's up there somewhere. Okay. Yeah. All right, first time shopping in the new Z. This car is absolutely beautiful. You saw it from the Instagram post. This color doesn't do it justice. But just take a look. Twin turbocharged, 400 horsepower. I think 368 foot-pounds of torque. Got to see this car in person. Thank you to Nissan again for sending this vehicle. Hiro-san, are you happy? Yeah. What a great day, huh?
Yes.
And trunk space. Looks like we're gonna be taking a trip in this car very, very soon. Make sushi for one of your lucky fans who you picked with the Back of Frost promotion. We don't know who it is. At the time of recording, we don't know, but by the time this video comes out, you will have known, and we will know where we're driving to. Hiro-san!
Yes, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. Another beautiful box in the studio.
Yes.
All right, Hiro-san, let's see what's inside.
Yes. Yes.
All right, a beautiful Back of Frost salmon.
Yes.
All the way from the Faroe Islands. All right, Hiro took out the scales, rinsed it in the sink. Gotta hold it tight and kind of upright. Well, you can do it at home. And we're not gonna show you how to fillet this because you've seen it before. We're gonna make a reel for Instagram, so go there if you want to see how this was done.
I'm thinking to make miso yaki.
Okay.
But with special material.
Right.
I'm going to use it.
Okay, let's show you what we're talking about.
Yes. So this is it. This is from Iwatani Material Kabushiki Gaisha. This is Gourlabo Plus.
So what this is a special plastics. They actually cook the food, kind of like a high pressure system, similar to what they use on the airplanes to heat up food. And be sure to click down below in the description box to find out where you can buy this product. Today I know, Hiro, you're going to make a nice salmon dish from it. Something very, very simple. I can't wait to see what you're going to make with it. Let's open it up.
Okay.
So this thing is designed very uniquely. We were sent this black one, but if you prefer, it also comes in white or orange. Also included is this.
They have so many recipes.
20 recipes, yeah, definitely.
This is made by plastic, but it's a very special design.
Yeah, if you guys want to cook like chicken thighs in it, what this does is separates the oil from the food. You can do like chicken thighs, you can do salmon if you want. We're going to keep all the salmon without this, so you can actually use all the vegetables here.
Right. So many things you can cook with this one. This one, when you heat it in the microwave, right? The oil heat is very consistent.
Right. It's like a pressure cooker, they're saying.
Pressure cooker.
Right.
Like that. So that's why you can make cooking very faster.
Right.
And very consistently to heat it up.
Okay. Here, let's talk about what you're going to put in the salmon and what's going to go underneath the salmon.
So today I'm going to make a misoyaki salmon, but I'm going to use cabbage and the asparagus and the mushroom and the scallion. And then of course I have a miso and sake, mirin, and I'm going to put a little bit of garlic, and also I'm going to add the mayonnaise.
Okay.
Yeah, it's mayonnaise with a little bit of new things.
Very, very simple, huh? You guys can do this at home?
Usually I do this dish. Sometimes I do in the marination for a few hours, but instead we don't need it. It's very simple. You can very quick. You can make it with this one. Okay, first step I'm gonna make a miso sauce. Sake. Mirin. a little bit of garlic. Little bit of mayonnaise. Okay, next one I got vegetable. Okay, next one's asparagus. Then I just gonna add to the shiitake mushroom. Okay. I'm going to add the little sauce in the bottom. I'm going to put the salmon on top.
This product is really unique. It's actually 10 functions in one, 6 cooking functions, and 4 types of kitchen tools. It's also made of a special plastic that can withstand oven heating up to 230 degrees.
Sauce. And I'm gonna add the mayonnaise. You can see the this bubble stuff to match into here when you cook. It's very important.
Oh, here's we are ready to cook.
Yeah, ready to cook. So I'm going to put in the microwave for 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Okay, let's try it out and see.
All right, so 3 minutes and a half.
Okay.
And start.
All right, here we go.
Yes. Let's
see the results.
Wow.
Over here is sizzling. Now we don't want it to be completely well done.
Yeah, salmon's not
right, because it's of course sushi grade. We can eat it right now without. But let's check it out here.
Let's check the vegetables.
This is 3.5 minutes, so I know it's going to be kind of rare inside.
I'm going to check the asparagus.
Okay.
It's cooked or not. Oh, let's try it.
Try it out.
Perfect.
It's perfect? All right, nice.
So you can eat straight from the container, but I'd like to transfer to a plate.
You know, of course, you have to plate it up. Okay.
But the salmon is all the way in the top, so I need to remove the salmon. I want to put the vegetable first under the salmon for presentation. So
how about if you scoop everything out at one time?
Scoop it out at one time. Everything.
Let's try that.
The salmon's kind of...
Try this way.
This way?
Yeah. What do you think?
Nah, it's going to be great.
Gonna break?
Let me take out some salmon out.
Okay.
Few salmon.
Yeah, salmon's already cooked. I can see it's kind of hard, right?
Yeah, this one is kind of hard to control the which you like medium rare style.
Yeah.
Because the microwave is still in its container microwave.
Sure.
So heating from the inside. So okay.
Can't forget this sauce.
Yes.
All right, here's the finished product. Beautiful salmon with all this delicious dressing that Hiro made. Hiro-san, I can't wait to try it.
Yes.
And if you guys can find this product on Amazon, I'm sure you can. We'll put a link down below that you guys can find it as well. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video to Awatani and the group.
Yes.
You guys have a great day. See you soon.
Thank you.
All right, here, one last look before Hiro and I try it. It looks amazing. The salmon looks very moist. And I like my salmon raw. When it's cooked, I don't like it cooked all the way. All right, Hiro-san, let's enjoy.
Okay, so let me go get in the center. All right, let's try. Look.
So it is cooked all the way, of course, but again, looks super moist.
Yeah. Very soft.
Very soft.
You will like it.
All right, let me try a piece here. Yeah, it looks really soft to feel the chopstick. Oh wow.
Wow.
That is amazing. It's super soft, like you
Very
said.
soft, very soft.
Wow, and it cooked all the way, so I don't mind it. Again, it's really, really soft.
Of course, you know, if you grill and well done, kind of dry, right? I know you don't like that texture, but this was perfect.
And let me tell you, the asparagus is done well too. Oh, this is good. You guys gotta try this at home. Amazing, really it is.
I like this part, so you see a lot of juice.
So soft.
Very good.
Good, right? Well, I think it's a great success. Hopefully you guys can try it as well. Chris, I will see you soon.
Thank you very much.